3, 2, 1, start. The Chancellor may cause an inspection or inquiry to be made in respect of any matter connected with the University and shall from time to time appoint such person or persons as he may deem fit for the purposes of carrying out inspection of the university, its buildings, laboratories, libraries, museums, workshops and equipment, full stop. The Chancellor shall in every such case as aforesaid, give notice to the syndicate of his intention to cause an inspection or inquiry to be made, and the syndicate shall be entitled to be represented threats, full stop. The Chancellor shall communicate to the syndicate his views with regard to the results of such inspection or inquiry and shall, after ascertaining the views thereon of this syndicate, advise the syndicate on the action to be taken, full stop. New paragraph. The syndicate shall communicate to the Chancellor such action, if any as has been taken or may be proposed to be taken upon the results of the inspection or inquiry, full stop. Such communication shall be submitted to the Chancellor within such time as may be specified by the Chancellor, full stop. Where the syndicate does not within a reasonable time take action to the satisfaction of the Chancellor, the Chancellor may, after considering any explanation furnished or representation made by the syndicate, issue such directions as he thinks fit, and the Vice Chancellor shall comply with such directions, full stop. Minister for Agriculture, Government of the Punjab shall be the Pro-Chancellor of the University, full stop. New paragraph. The Pro-Chancellor shall perform such duties and functions and exercise such powers as are vested in him under this act, or as may be assigned or delegated to him by the Chancellor, full stop. A person who is eligible and who is not more than 65 years of age on the last date fixed for submission of applications for the post of the Vice Chancellor may apply for the post, full stop. The government shall determine, by notification in the official gazette, the qualifications, experience and other relevant requirements for the post of the Vice Chancellor, full stop. The government shall constitute for a term of 2 years, a search committee consisting of not less than 3 and not more than 5 members for making recommendations for appointment of the Vice Chancellor, full stop.